Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am Neha. I hail from Ghosi. I am a student. My father name is Mr. And I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to discuss about our Ghosi railway station. Ghosi railway station. So I have came here first time and I am very excited to see all things here. And work is still going on at Ghosi railway station. And as you can see, this area where from people come and go. And and this part of the railway station is ready and further work is yet to be done. Electric poles have been insulated yet to be fitted. So I would like to so guys, I am very excited to see all things the final look Ghosi railway station. I would like to complete my conversation here. Thank you for listening to me.